Quick replies, example and settings. How to set up quick replies in smart-centered chatbots. Hi guys, my name is Yuliia Zatsarynna. In this video, you will know how to create and manage quick replies as a chat operator. Like and subscribe to our channel. Let's go to the quick replies menu. Click the first menu Smart Messenger, Grow Tools, and here choose a quick replies. This menu saves another menu on this builder. We can start creating separate quick replies or define them to a group of quick replies. The first I create maybe a group. Let's imagine that we have a small craft store that makes home decor. We can categorize the auto responses into two groups: delivery and production time. Let's create these two groups. New group, and this name delivery, continue, and next group it is production time, and continue. Next, we starting creating our quick reply. Click this button, enter the name. The name for this group, it will be delivery. Next, my step, I choose my group. I can create a lot of different quick reply for this group. Now I create only one because it is an example for you. I choose delivery. Here I need to write a command. It will be same then name this. Okay. Here, if you want, you can add some description. I add description. This description see only you, not your subscriber. The next, you can choose general templates or personal templates. General templates will be able to all chat operator. The personal one, only you. And continue. And I add new deadline and group, it is group production time. It's command deadline and enter description. It is only for me and operator chat. It is general tool. Okay, continue. If you need editing, you click in here and you can edit this information. If you need delete, click in this icon. If you want to change a group, click in here and change another group and continue. This is just customization. For now, we haven't created a message for the user yet. If we click the title, we can create message for user. This we choose our channel. When this block disappear, click in here and I add some message for user. Automatically continue and text. It is our delivery. Add the text. Okay. Greeting, we are pleased to offer several shopping options for our craft home decor. It is some message for user. Okay. And publish. Click in delivery again and choose deadline. Similar technical. First step, disappear all channels because I use all of this channel. Add some text block. Automatically continue and choose a message. Add the text. Hi. We can add a name if you want. For example, first name. Okay, and publish. Let's see how it is work. I need to go my live chat. I find any users. I have only here two. Okay, and I write a command slash and delivery and send. And User receive this text about delivery. This command is visible only to us in the chat. The user will receive only this message. If I add another command and then deadline, user receive this message. Okay guys, today you learn how to create and manage quick replies to the chat operator. You will be able to quick communication with your subscribers without spending a lot of time for him. Like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new lesson on creating effective script for chatbots. See you soon guys!